This is a short video to introduce China Quotes, the first China sourcing directory to exclusively focus on Chinese contract manufacturers and OEMs. Now, these are the sorts of factory that specialise in producing bespoke goods and components according to customers' requirements and drawings. So, if you're looking for metal or plastic components or electronic components, this is the place to come. Now, China Quotes stands aside from other China sourcing directories, and that it only lists factories according to their production capability rather than the end product. And if you scroll down the page, down the centre of the home page, you'll see exactly how this works. On the left-hand side, step 1, we ask users to select their production category. So, for example, this could be moulding or casting, forming, joining and fabrication. And each of these production categories then breaks down into a sub-production process. So, for example, moulding and casting breaks down into blow moulding, die casting, extrusion, and so on. So, if you were to select one of these categories, you'll find the factories that specialise in that particular production capability. So, we're going to select die casting, and you'll find that the factories are going to be listed on the search results page. You can also use the advanced search function, where you can search for factories by material processed, by geography, or by language spoken. So on the search results page for die casting, there's 30 in total, and you'll find that there's 10 factories displayed on each page. And you'll see a thumbnail of each factory, and if you like a particular factory, you can add it to your favourites, and it gets added on the left hand side of the page, and you can review that for future viewing. You can also log into the site to view your favourites. So should you leave the site, you can actually come back and find the factories that you want to try and work with. And if we actually just scroll down the page, we'll actually just take a look at a particular factory. So if you take this factory, for example, now what you'll find about our site is that all of the production factory listings are all uniform, so you don't get lots of different styles and processes for different factories. They all look the same. You get an image gallery of the site. If you press that will break out into some of the products that this factory produces. So, for example, this factory produces metal castings and forged pieces, which you'll find here. You'll also find a summary of the factory, and finally, if you scroll down the page, you'll find that your contact details and some of the specifics about the factory that are specific to their capabilities. So, for example, you'll find production capabilities, materials processed, number of employees, what sort of machinery they have, and so on. And the site isn't only in English. We've also got a Chinese version of the site, where if you click on the Chinese button, it will take you to the Chinese version of the homepage. We hope you enjoy the site. Many thanks.